Hey, compadre, how you doing? Jeff Amen here. All right, so I've got something really cool for you today. I thought I'd go ahead and give you access to a new training that I just put out. It's called Push Profits. Now, Push Profits, a lot of you guys might have noticed that push notifications have become quite popular in the recent years. All right, so they're the little dialogue boxes that pop up and say, "Would you like to receive notifications?" And then if you press yes, then in the future you can send out a push notification, and it shows right there on your screen, right? So it's a great way to get extra traffic, and all you got to do is like take a code, um, plug it into your website. I'm going to show you how to do all this, and I'm going to show you how to do it free. All right, there's a service out there that I'm going to teach and push profits where you can get 2,500 subscribers for free. And by the time you get 2,500 subscribers, you're going to be getting a ton of traffic. All right, so what I like to do is I like to, every time I create an email broadcast and I send it out to my email list, what I like to do is I like to then take the link from that broadcast email, pop it in my push notification software, push send, and that way I'm able to reach my audience in two different ways. All right, so once again, you're gonna love this training, and then tomorrow be looking out for my email, because I'm gonna show you a course that is the perfect complement to mine. Absolute perfect complement. All right, so what I teach in Profit Fundamentals is how to follow up with your email leads the correct way. That way you can maximize profits, dominate any affiliate product, system, whatever it is you're promoting. And what tomorrow, one of my mentors, Wayne Crow, you're going to have the chance to learn from him how to build a massive email list. We're talking hundreds of thousands of subscribers. This guy has built lists in the millions, guys, in the millions, no joke. So I've learned a ton from him, so keep an eye out for that video that you get tomorrow from me. But in the meantime, enjoy Push Profits.